Hello everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this I have sculpted a cartoon fish as you can see. So hope you all like my tutorial and please watch till the end and thank you. So move on to general. Now hide this camera and delete this light. Now press Ctrl 4 for subdivision, adding the subdivisions. Now apply it from here, scale it. Now go to your sculpting mode and try to make some basic sculpt. So first on its symmetry on x-axis. Now let's make its basic shapes. This is for tail, this is for head part, and this is the body part. Now here the tail part. Like this you can make it big, thin, fat, slim as per your own choice, imaginations. This will be its face part, and let's make its mouth, lips. Just take draw tool, crease tool, grab tool and just try to give it some shapes like this. Take view from all the angles and you can see define its shape by like this. This will be its lips part, so make it little like this, or you can decide your own thinkings, like whatever you want you can add like this. Now this will be its eye part, so just do like this. Now from up so first of all we have to view it from all the angles whether it is looking fine or not, then try to adjust those shapes. So keep it upwards to the grid. Now let's make its tail part like this. Keep it here, just make a tail. You can design its tail by your own choice. I am making like this, just like this, a little here, add some edges for adjusting it like this, add some curve to its tail and add one more. Now subdivide it and you can give it some basic shapes as you need. Now like this, shade it smooth like this. So as you can see, you can keep it here and duplicate that, keep it like this, or one tail here. Just by your own thinkings you can add design its tail part like this. Maybe I will change it later. First like this. Now move on to our sculpting mode again. So from here you can change its color like this. So firstly arrange it properly like this, add some more detailings like this, make its nose part, nose holes like this. You can see. Now it's make some more detailings on it, so for making it more attractive, eye-catchy model. You can also make some monster fishes or any one you like. I'm making like this. Just shape it properly like this. This will be its nose part and like this. Now add its eyeballs, rotate it on x-axis 90 degree and keep it here slightly like this, then mirror it on x-axis as you can see. Now move on to our sculpting again. Just arrange these eyeballs and just arrange it properly. You can give some shapes of its eye, make it angry, sad, happy, as you want, like this. Now like this you can see I have made till here. Add some detailing like this. Now for its mouth part I need to add some more details like this, so you can see. Now add some curvedness to its mouth as you need. Now from here just like this, slowly you can make it more attractive, eye-catchy, as you can see. Just try to see it at all the angles for making the proportions same like this, and here you can see. Now hold this grab tool and just shape its lips, mouth part. So as you can see, now it will look like this. Let's color it. First of all, let's make its fins. For that, first smooth it up. Try to take view from all the angles as you need, and just slightly make some changes as you need. Now let's make its fin parts. So for that, just make here some holes like this, 2 here and 2 on the body. Here you can add as much fins you want, as much wings you want to add in it, you can. I am adding only 4 to 8. 4 must be enough, like this. Now duplicate this tail and move it apart. Now rotate it on y-axis 180 degree. Now just go to our sculpting mode and just sculpt it like this. Give some shapes by our sculptings like this. It will add some curviness to our model, which will look nice. And duplicate it for the rest part. Now place it properly and slightly tilted like this. Now mirror it for the other part. Now for the back part also you can like this. Now mirror it, so you can see we have made till here. So our fish modeling is done. You can just, I want to change its size of the tail, just symmetrize it or mirror it and do it like this. Now you can see it is looking fine. You can add as much creativity you want in it, you can. Now let's color its eyes part. Select its face of the eyeballs like this. Give it a nice color as you need. I am giving it black or dark brown color. This will look great like this. Then rotate this, then mirror it again, delete the past like this. Now you can color it. I will give it orange color. You can give it choice the color as you need like this. This will look fine as you can see. Now one more thing left, add its what to say, that eyelashes like this. Now try to make your model more attractive by adding some eyebrows, eyelashes and some more small detailing things that will make your model more attractive. Like this. Now adjust it on its eye part. Now go to your sculpting mode and just place it properly. Place it properly as you need it like this. Whether you want to make it more thick, you can. So I'm making it more thick like this. Just arrange it properly so you can see. Give it a black color, nice. Mirror it. First of all, keep it at the place you need. Now mirror it like this. Now move this eyeballs a little downwards like this. So you can see our modeling of our fish is also done. Now let's render it. Just rotate it like this as you need. Now give it a light, sunlight, and keep its strength on 2 and decide its angle where you want to keep it. I am keeping the strength over 3. Now shadows on. Render it in cycles and give it a background color. This color will do well like this. So you can see, then adjust its camera view, then you can see the render results here. So I hope you like this tutorial and find it helpful. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you. Take care.